Welcome to this short video in which I'm going to show you how I mix my paints for fluid acrylics. I use the Pebeo range of acrylic paints. They're just my favourites. I've used them in my ordinary paintings, and I use their pouring medium. It's slightly thinner than, say, Liquitex pouring medium, and this is my favourite all-time paint. It's the iridescent green blue. It's a lovely sort of iridescent, as the name suggests, colour, and also the iridescent green yellow. Those are the two colours that I used in the vase pour that's on my YouTube channel. They also do the black and the white in larger tubes. So I'm going to show you how I do my mix, and hopefully you'll find that useful. Okay, so I've got my paints, plastic cup, jar of water, and my pouring medium, and some wooden sticks for stirring. Plastic cups, I don't buy these new. They're recycled from a drinking water drinking fountain. Try and reuse plastic cups wherever I can to save the environment. Okay, let's get going. Okay, I'll start off with some paint, which I normally put in just enough to sort of cover the bottom of the cup. Then the pouring medium. Haven't actually opened this one. You can tell I haven't rehearsed. Okay. Just make sure that's screwed on properly. As you can see, it's quite liquid. So I normally put probably a ratio of about 2 to 1. I don't accurately measure this. Do it all by eye. Give it a good stir. Trying to make sure that you get all the paint from around the edges. I find that avoids lumps. You can see there's a few air bubbles in there, but I'll let the paint stand and the bubbles tend to rise to the surface. Let's give that a good old stir. Actually, you can give a little bit more pouring medium there. The Pebeo paints, the acrylics, are highly pigmented, so a little bit of paint goes a very long way. Give that a good stir. Right, now, you can see that is quite thick. That's too thick for a pour. So I'm now going to add some water, just a little at a time. Keep stirring, making sure to get around the edges on the bottom of the cup. Okay, now that's something a little bit more like it. As it's dropping into the, how I judge the paint consistency is just as it drops into water, it just forms a little peak as it just drops in, but then disappears flat. And I find that's just how I like my paint. To be. What I normally do is now let that stand for 10-15 minutes. A lot of the air bubbles rise to the surface, which causes less air bubbles when you do a pour. Hope you found this useful, and see you in my next video.